I finally finished my walking mech!
Congratulations!
What? It is just rolling! Oh no! Alright, finally, I know how to use this walking mech.
You think so?
10 years later. What? I'm still here! It's so slow! Maybe I'll just roll again. I think this one is faster.
You think that's a good idea?
Oh wait, I forgot something. What? I can't go back. It's so slow. It's just doing moonwalk. It turns into Michael Jackson. What the? What if I turn the wheel speed into 40 to make it faster? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What happened? Oh no! I think I broke it. Oh no!
Don't worry, because Hogsdad have a solution. It's now faster, easier to control, and can go back to base with ease. Watch the tutorial of Hogsdad Gaming. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Alright guys, yes, I'm going to teach you how you are going to make the walking mech faster, because yes guys, I've noticed in the comment section that you have problems controlling the walking mech, and yes, in my own experience, the walking mech is very slow unless you use thrusters, you know, or make it roll, maybe use jet, but come on, walking mech is very unpractical. I mean, this version, because I have another version of the walking mech, check out the tutorial for that. And yes, this one, the new tutorial for this, I'm gonna make your sufferings removed. The Gatling mech, I actually have trouble using it for PvPs, but now I think with this solution I can enjoy the Gatling mech much more. I hope you like this video guys, and don't forget to subscribe.
It's now faster, easier to control, and can go back to base with ease. Don't forget to subscribe.